Here we are at Maxey level crossing in Cambridgeshire with AB trains. There we go. Now, time is 14:14 on Wednesday the 28th of June 2023. And this should be for our 14:14 1 Alpha 94 first old train service from Holden and King's Cross. Don't see a whole lot point going up, only to come back down again. Getting thunderflies all over me. All over my arms, they're on my shirt. All over the damn place. Hello, I'm hearing something. Can hear the sound of the pantograph going against the wires. We've got 802 303 802 303 to King's Cross, and they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.